Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best hammock mount is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any outdoor enthusiast looking to elevate their relaxation game, offering a secure and convenient way to hang their hammock almost anywhere, transforming ordinary spaces into personal oases of tranquility and comfort, whether you're camping in the wilderness, lounging in your backyard, or enjoying a picnic in the park. This simple yet ingenious device unlocks a world of portable relaxation possibilities. Number 5. Sunnydaze Decor Universal Double Hammock Stand. Introducing the Universal Hammock Stand, designed to accommodate a wide range of hammocks from 9.5 to 14 feet. It can support up to 550 pounds, making it perfect for 2 people. Crafted from sturdy, powder-coated steel, this stand is built for longevity. Its rust-resistant design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions, providing reliable support for years to come. Setting up is a breeze with this stand. It comes with all the necessary hardware, including adjustable chains, and features easy spring snap button mechanisms for tool-free assembly. Enjoy your hammock anywhere you desire. This lightweight and portable stand is perfect for your patio, porch, backyard, or even indoors, especially when trees aren't available. Experience ultimate relaxation with its ergonomic design that cradles your entire body. It's ideal for anyone seeking a comfortable and stylish way to unwind, whether at home or while camping. What we like. This stand is built to last with sturdy steel and can fit almost any hammock you own. If you have a collection of hammocks or frequently switch between different styles, this is the perfect choice for you. It's also great for those who want a reliable and easy to set up option for their backyard or patio. What people say. The pieces are heavy and sturdy. Assembling the stand did not require any tools, all parts were included. The stand included 4 thick plastic feet, which seem like they will indeed hold up in the long run, and those feet are sturdy and they blend in well with the rest of the stand. Number 4. ABUSA Heavy Duty Swing Hangers. Introducing the ABUSA Heavy Duty Swing Hangers, built for exceptional strength and durability. They are designed to support over 5,000 pounds, making them perfect for a variety of uses. Crafted from premium, rust-free aluminum alloy, these hangers are made to last. They feature hardened processing to withstand harsh weather, ensuring they stay protected against rust and burrs. Experience a seamless and quiet swing with our specially designed high-quality bearings. They rotate smoothly without any squeaking, providing a peaceful experience. Installation is a breeze with the complete set of accessories provided. It includes screws, oval hooks, washers, and a helpful sticker to ensure a secure and easy setup. These hangers offer wide-ranging versatility. They are ideal for swings, yoga belts, boxing sandbags, cradle beds, and much more. We are confident in our product's excellent quality. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, simply email us for a full, no questions asked refund. What we like. With an incredible weight capacity and smooth, quiet operation, these hangers are designed for serious use. If you're looking for the most robust and durable option for heavy-duty swings, yoga trapezes, or even boxing bags, this is the one. Its rust-free material ensures longevity in any environment. What people say. The hammock mount is very sturdy and easy to assemble. It holds my hammock securely and looks great in my backyard. The adjustable straps make it versatile for different hammock sizes. Number 3. SELEWARE Stainless Steel Ceiling Swing Mount. Experience unparalleled durability with our swing mount. Crafted from premium SUS 304 stainless steel, it's designed to resist rust and withstand even the toughest use, supporting up to 2,000 pounds. Setting up is a breeze with all necessary mounting screws included. This heavy-duty hanger is perfect for a wide variety of activities, from yoga silks to punching bags. Enjoy a full range of motion with its innovative 360 degrees swivel and 180 degrees swing design. This feature enhances your experience whether you're on a playground, porch swing, or hammock. Our commercial-quality swing hangers are rigorously tested and rated for both children and adults. You can trust it for safe and enjoyable use. We are committed to your happiness. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply return it within 30 days for a full refund. We'll do everything we can to ensure you're delighted. What we like. Experience ultimate flexibility and durability with these stainless steel hangers. If you need a versatile mount that can handle a wide range of activities from yoga silks to heavy bags and offers both swivel and swing motion, this is your best bet. Its high capacity and premium material make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor, heavy-use scenarios. What people say. The Hammock Mount is very sturdy and holds up well even with vigorous swinging. Easy to assemble and install, took less than 15 minutes to set up. The adjustable straps allow for a perfect fit on various tree sizes. Number 2. ENO Indoor Hanging Kit. Don't let gloomy weather stop you from enjoying your hammock. With this kit, you can easily set up your personal relaxation spot indoors. Transform any room into a cozy retreat. Simply attach the hangers to wall studs, clip on your hammock, and unwind in comfort. Rest assured, safety is paramount. Our hangers are crafted from durable ZP steel and can support up to 400 pounds, ensuring a secure lounging experience. This comprehensive kit includes everything for a seamless setup: 2 hangers, lag screws, washers, carabiners, and a clear installation guide. We love the great outdoors. That's why a portion of every purchase goes to organizations dedicated to preserving natural spaces. What we like. Transform any room into your personal oasis with this indoor hanging kit. If you love lounging in your hammock but don't have the outdoor space or ideal weather, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for easy installation into wall studs, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or anyone wanting to enjoy their hammock year-round, regardless of the weather. What people say. It came with great instructions, the materials are high quality and look excellent, and I haven't had a single problem with these. Installation was a breeze, and I just used the framing on the side of a window and a closet door. I used straps to span the extra distance and create a sort of a ridgeline, and voila! I was hammocking indoors. They worked like a charm. The van I installed them on was a 2020 Ram ProMaster, super easy, though I recommend using an impact drill or socket wrench with 10mm attachment to get the bolt off. Note, because they are a single piece of metal, directional placement isn't really a concern. Unless you are considering pulling something, just don't, they should withstand up to their weight rating. Number 1. Hammaka 10314 KP Hammock Hitch Stand. Introducing the Hammaka 10314 KP Hitch Stand. This versatile stand is designed to enhance your outdoor relaxation experience. Crafted with durability in mind, it offers a robust weight capacity of 300 pounds per chair in chair mode. You can trust it to support you comfortably. Designed for convenience, it seamlessly fits all standard 2-inch receivers. Setup and use are straightforward, making it ideal for any adventure. Transform any location into your personal oasis. Enjoy your favorite hammock or chairs wherever you go with this essential outdoor accessory. Its practical design makes it easy to transport and set up, so you can spend less time fussing and more time enjoying the great outdoors. What we like. Take your relaxation on the go with this hitch stand. If you're an avid camper, tailgater, or just love to set up a comfy spot wherever you travel, this is the ultimate accessory. It easily attaches to your vehicle's hitch, providing a stable and convenient way to hang your hammock or chair without needing trees or a permanent setup. What people say. This hammock mount is very sturdy and easy to assemble. It holds my hammock securely and looks great in my backyard. The adjustable straps make it easy to customize the hang of my hammock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.